Do it.
I'm doing it. Mwahaha.
They're not even on the No way!
My leg!
Yeah, better be a war zone, hating on me but you can't ignore it though. Try to do it better, boy, you better take more notes. This game's cutthroat, you don't want a part of it. Get on my level, you better know there's no mercy for the weak. No apologies, never letting up, so don't dishonor me. Leave them off the seas, watching them burn in the furnace. It's time that I come for some heads. Opinions and everyone's got them. It feels like I never really wanted your respect, so I don't really want to give into the hate, but it fuels my rage and it sparks that flame. Try to ventilate and move into a better view of everything, but I don't think I'll be the one to ever turn another page. I've been so sinister, seeking my vengeance, I'm seeking repentance for all that you've done. End up diminish the odds of you winning 1,000,000 to 1.